Weddings are steeped in tradition and customs that vary across cultures and time. Here are 10 captivating bridal fun facts that highlight the diversity and charm of wedding rituals. 1. Something blue. Symbolizing purity and love, the tradition of wearing something blue dates back to ancient Rome. 2. Bouquet toss origins. Originating in 14th century England, the bouquet toss tradition was born from guests ripping pieces of the bride's attire for good luck. 3. Veil symbolism. Initially worn to ward off evil spirits, veils now symbolize modesty and the bride's transition into married life. 4. Ring finger choice. Wedding rings adorn the fourth finger of the left hand due to the belief in a vein directly connecting to the heart. 5. White wedding dresses. Queen Victoria popularized white wedding dresses in 1840, shifting from the previous trend of colored dresses. 6. Something old, new, borrowed, blue. An English rhyme dictates items for luck: something old, new, borrowed, blue, and a silver sixpence in the shoe. 7. Jumping the broom. African American weddings feature jumping the broom, symbolizing sweeping away the old and welcoming the new. 8. Rice throwing. Originating in ancient Rome, throwing rice at weddings signifies fertility and prosperity. 9. Garter toss tradition. Evolved from medieval customs, the garter toss symbolizes luck for unmarried male guests. 10. Cake cutting ceremony. The cake cutting ceremony represents the couple's first joint task, symbolizing their commitment to each other.